Hip flexion, this can be either performed as a continuous tension set or an EQI. So if it's a continuous tension set, and that's kind of specified in the comments, we're going to get up off the bench, box, chair, whatever it may be, typically with some weight in your leg, but that might not always be the case. So either load it up with some ankle weights like I have right here. You can attach the strap to your leg and do it with the cable. So I can attach the cable to it and hold it up there as well. But if it's an EQI or if it's a continuous tension set, for example, we're lifting this off and we're pulsing at that top range all the way throughout this whole scope of flexion here. So this entire plane of movement here, we're trying to pulse in and out with the goal that you're failing between, under 30 seconds, under a minute. Even going for endurance can be, sets up to 2 to 3 minutes, depending on what the sheet says. Okay, so be sure to check that. If it's an EQI, it's the same concept. It's just lifting off and holding for as long as you possibly can. And then as we fail, we still try to hold it up. So even if I'm lowering down here, I'm trying to fight up as best as possible, trying to make sure that I'm resisting the urge to fail, even as I will inevitably do that. Okay, so whichever variation it is, it'll specify in the comments. Make sure you adhere to them and make sure you go as hard as humanly possible to get all you can out of the hip joint.